All right, let's talk about your funnel dashboard. Now, to access this dashboard, when you're on a funnel and you just go up here to My Sites and Funnels, click on the funnel you want to work on. And when you're on your main funnel page, you're going to go over here to click Funnels, and then here's your main funnel dashboard. Now, let's just go over a few things real quick. So on your main funnel dashboard page, this is the first page you're going to see. These are your funnel steps. So as you can see, we're on the sales page right now. It gets brought to a sign up, then to a tripwire page, then to a checkout, and so on and so forth. So these are the steps, and these are essentially different pages. So if I were to click on this tripwire page, it would just bring me to another page that I can edit. So when you think of steps, they're in a journey on a funnel. So they're going from the sales page all the way to the masterclass page, and you're bringing them on a journey with the goal of watching your masterclass. And so each step is essentially just a different page. So this is where you can access your pages. Now, you can also set up A/B split testing. A/B testing is a way to test different pages that you make for the same step. So let's say you have a sales page, but you want to create another one that looks kind of similar or maybe looks completely different. And when visitors visit it, you want to see which one is converting better. So when you set up your split test, for one person it's going to show this page and another person it's going to show this page, and you will be able to see which one is doing better by looking at the conversion rate. So you can easily just add an A/B test to each of your pages by clicking on A/B test. You can either duplicate the page or the pop-up, or you can create an entirely new one. And then when you want to go in and edit either one, you just click right here, edit step variation. So it's going to show, because I duplicated this sales page, it's going to show the same exact sales page. So now I could go in here and change it completely, or just change a few of the words to see which is going to convert better. And so then you can go into the settings of your A/B test, and you can have it so that when this many people see it, you can set your threshold here, and whichever one gets the most percentage of conversion will automatically be shown instead of the other one. Eventually, once you hit this threshold, this will be the one that's shown. Or you could manually select the winner by seeing their percentage rate here and then selecting which one you want to be shown at all times instead. So it's a really cool way of testing out different headlines, different pictures, and different things and different messaging that will get different conversion rates. And you can see which one is actually doing better because you actually have the numbers here. So it's pretty cool. And so we'll look at a few other things on this first page on the dashboard. So there's the settings, which will just bring you to the main general settings where you can change the title and favicons, and you can put a domain name on your actual funnel that's separate from your website, which is pretty cool. But back here in the funnel settings or funnel dashboard, you can also click here and there's some options here that you can play with. You know, you can delete it, you can clear the analytics, you could share your funnel, you can move this funnel to a different website, and then you can also move it to an entirely new project as well, which is nice. And last but not least, you can keep adding more and more steps. So the next section here are the visitors. So you can see some visitor analytics, you can see the sales analytics, you can see your order analytics and how many orders you've gotten. And right here, you can just add a product into your funnel straight from here instead of having to go into your main store. So that's pretty nice, just easy access. And then top performers, you can just see some more analytics data. So that's pretty much it for the funnel dashboard. It's just an easy way to see all of your analytics and keep everything organized within all of your funnel steps and your A/B testing and everything, so you can really get nitty-gritty on what's happening inside of your funnel. I hope this helped you guys. If you need anything, do not hesitate to reach out at hello@prettydash.co. Bye.